These are the latest updates in the parking industry. IPS Group has expanded its product offering to include additional modules as part of the industry's only fully integrated parking management suite. The IPS enforcement management and permit management systems are agile and scalable to meet the needs of smart cities of any size. TagMaster recently joined AMAG Technology Symmetry Preferred Partner Program. TagMaster's long-range readers integrate with Symmetry to provide flexible long-range access to secure areas from 10 to 26 feet and are perfect for tracking vehicle entry into parking lots or large-scale systems. The readers communicate with Symmetry to secure locations like hospitals, schools, gated communities, and airports. INDECT USA announced a new installation of their widely popular ultrasonic parking guidance system at the H-E-B supermarket in Bel Air, Texas. Groceries that have been ordered online or by telephone can now be easily collected from H-E-B's Rice Village store with the aid of INDECT's intelligent parking guidance technology. Drivers in the city of Berkeley can now pay for parking using the ParkMobile app and sign up for notifications when a paid parking session is about to expire. The ParkMobile payment option is provided at no cost to the city, so the service provider adds a user fee to cover all costs. Registrations for the third edition of the Shopping Center Parking Network event are now open. Join us for 2 days of shopping center-focused networking in Amsterdam on October 15 and 16. To find out more about this event, visit parkingevent.com. Right now, the Parking Network team is at ParkX in Coventry, and we look forward to seeing you in stand H12. Other parking events this year include World Parking Symposium, Parking China, the Canadian Parking Association Annual Conference and Trade Show, NPA Convention and Expo, and Intertraffic Mexico, not to mention our 2 events this year, the Shopping Center Parking Network event and the Airport Parking Network event. To find out more about these and other parking events, visit our events tab at parking-net.com. That's it for this week's Parking Network news. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Caroline Molina. See you next time.